Hey guys, how's it going? Good morning. Hey, videos are taking a little bit longer. YouTube's just having a little bit harder time processing this morning. But no worries, I'll get everything out. Just want to let you guys know that. Okay, let's go over Solana this morning. I want you guys to watch the Bitcoin video I did this morning. It's going to be showing you guys, and this is actually, we might actually be hitting this right now. This is a pressure point in Bitcoin where a lot of people are probably going to look to short right now because they're looking at the third touch of a descending resistance. But if this thing starts moving up here, guys, and this short squeezes everyone who goes short, a lot of the coins are going to continue to skyrocket. And literally some of these like Link could possibly go to 10%, DOT 10%, so on and so forth. So I want to talk about Solana today because this obviously Solana has been moving down from this pattern that we've seen. And a lot of people are down on their accounts right now, 40+%. Currently our account is only down, literally we're down about 3.3% at the moment, about 3.32%. Okay. The reason why we're so high here is we have really, really good risk management. I'm going to teach you guys how to trade this in this video. I will also show you guys how to get into a really good Solana trade right now so you guys can take this trade and literally probably win it very quickly. We are currently sitting at 102 for 102 wins on this channel, so make sure you guys watch the second half of this video where I'll show you guys how to get into our channel and trade with us and be part of our family because it's awesome. Guys, we're having a blast over here. Okay, let's take a look at Solana. Buy limit 1, buy limit 2, and buy limit 3 have been hit for us, and we have a break-even entry here at 180.84. This is so simple. We still have cash down here at the bottom in case we go down. Great risk management. Not worried about this trade whatsoever, okay? What we're seeing right now is a mixed confusion for retail traders. Trend dashboard tells me what retail traders are looking at. RSI, stochastic, and MACD are bullish. 50, 100, and 200 moving average are bearish. So a little bit of a tug of war right now. But again, please, if you guys don't do anything else today, watch that Bitcoin video because this could be calling the move up on the entire crypto market today if this happens. All right. Taking a look now at the price versus swell money flow. Let's go over some targets here for Solana as well as the trend exhaustion here. Okay. Here's what's happening. It might be a little bit confusing if you guys are looking at this, so let me explain this here. What we're seeing here is the well money flow moving up. Obviously, we can see that because money's flowing into the market. We've got green candles moving up here. Money's flowing in. Awesome. Okay, the trend exhaustion here is moving up here as well, but it was recovering from this higher low here. So it was a low, a high, a higher low. You guys can see that very lightly, and now we're pushing back up here. What I'm looking for and what you guys need to be aware of is the accuracy of these indicators. When the trend exhaustion pushes in the top red section here, we are looking for drops back down. Now, the well money flow didn't even get that high, and this still showed us that we are due for a move back down. Trend exhaustion high, well money flow high, guys. We're looking for that move back down. Previous time this happened over here, well money flow was high, a fast drop happened. That's how we were able to call the move back down. Previous time before that, we saw this move up here. That was very high, and we saw the move back down. All right, barely getting into the top. When we officially got into the top here, we saw this crash back down here. We saw the crash back down here as well. These indicators are calling market moves before they happen. And here's all you guys need to watch for. When the trend exhaustion is in the top red section and the well money flow is high, that's when we're looking for these crashes in the markets. As well as when the trend exhaustion is low here and the well money flow is low, that's where we're looking for pumps back up. And that is where the market's stopping and starting to move back up, which if you look over here, let's bring this to the forefront. When the trend exhaustion hit the low here, well money flow is low here as well. So we're syncing up both of them now. That is when we saw Solana here start to move back up. Okay. Now what I'm watching for a move up here is when the trend exhaustion pushes in the top red section here and the well money flows high, which is probably going to come around this area. That is where I'm looking for another drop because this has been about 80% accurate of calling the drops in the market. We can go all the way back here to look at where we actually end up calling exits on this coin here. Let me take this a step further and show you guys how to get into what I kind of call jackpot trades for short trades and long trades. This is how you spot divergence for huge moves down in the market. Like this sent us into the bear market. It is this right here. Follow me. Whenever you guys see a high and another higher high on price action and it goes up here, while you look down here and you see a high and a lower high on the well money flow, and the trend exhaustion is high here as well, getting very overextended, this is showing us that money is flowing out of the market while the price is starting to move up. Retail traders moving up while wells are looking to sell their long trades. This is how you guys get massive drops in the market. Money was not following this move up here. Okay, that's what's called divergence. If you guys have ever heard of divergence before, that's what it's called. This is the most powerful way to predict moves of divergence. Let me show you guys how we called the crash again over here. Take a look at this. Let's move over. Do you guys see the high here and another higher high? Guys, how much money do you think you can make just with these indicators predicting drops like this? It's pretty ridiculous. Don't cherry pick or cheat yourself. Look straight down and look straight down at these areas of when this happened. What are you guys seeing during these levels? We are seeing well money flow clearly move out of the market, and even the trend exhaustion is moving down. Two leading indicators, which are the best indicators in my opinion for crypto to call tops and bottoms and pumps and drops. That was saying we're looking for a drop. That Friday, because I stayed up and watched Shark Tank that night and I updated all of you guys, we dropped massively. There you guys go. Have the power in your hands to call these tops and these bottoms and these pumps and crashes before they happen. That's with these two indicators down here. Okay, now I want to go over the metrics that you guys actually receive with our program as well. Our program and membership, whatever you guys want to call it, okay? 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, these will update. We're seeing the emotional index sitting in the neutral section here for Solana. People aren't really excited. They're not really greedy. They're not really fearful. We're in this range right here. So what I suggest you guys do today is actually set up a long trade, and I'll show you guys how to access that in this video. Long versus short trades over here on Bitfinex. Okay, this is actually bullish. If you guys can see here, there is green moving up and red moving down. This is simply put, long trades are increasing on Bitfinex and short trades are decreasing. If short trades were to increase, this would actually put pressure on the coin or the token from moving up, but it's not. It's moving down here for short trades. This is actually a bullish sign for Solana to start moving back up. Okay, take a look at this. Trades in favor right now? Absolutely. This is a great time to take a long trade. It's a good time, not necessarily a great trade. Sorry, let me get my words right here. A good time. When this pushes to great trade, this is when we're seeing pumps back up here. Very good times to get into the market and take advantage of these lows and these lower highs. Okay, pumping back up. We see when this happened over here, it turned us into a full uptrend here. All right, trades in favor, if you're going to take a trade today, is absolutely long trades. Guys, all of this data is yours. You guys can access this now. Well, institutional smart money. Okay, this is showing us that when the price moves up here, we are seeing short trades come out here in the market for Wells institutions. This is pushing the price back down. Well, guess what, guys? What's happening right now is we are seeing an increase, a pretty strong increase actually, of long trades over here for smart money, buying the dip and the anxiety and the fear of retail traders. This is why I believe we're starting to see a move up here, and this could get extremely bullish very quickly. So I want you guys to watch that. Like, if you guys are following the analysis so far, this is bullish. All right, take a look at this. Support and resistance prices. Next resistance, clearly on the chart here to me is 150. It's a quarters theory level of 150. So let's take a look at this. 150 is going to push us right about here. I do think it's not too difficult to hit this and even possibly hit this level this weekend. Okay, I think it is possible to come up here and hit about 158. I'm going to write this down so because I'm in this trade with you guys. $158 by the weekend for, I'm so sorry. I'm saying Matic, ain't I? Sorry, guys. Solana to hit 158 by the weekend. And that is with the proof over here that the trend exhaustion has plenty of room to move up. The well money flow has plenty of room to move up. Look at how high it got over here. Like, we have plenty of room to move up here for more money to enter the market. And again, if Bitcoin officially breaks this descending resistance here, this could get extremely bullish, guys, extremely bullish. All right, Solana Metrics. Let's come back over here. Looking at dollar cost average entries, an incredible entry you guys can take right now to get into this trade as it pumps back up here, okay? Very, very good entry. I'm going to show you guys how to get into a trade here with good risk management in case it goes down, that you'll still win the trade. Literally 99% sure you guys will still win this trade, and you'll understand why. I'll show that to you in a second. Exit points. Once we see the market come back up here, we're going to be looking for exit points on Solana here for a possible move back down. This has done a very good job of helping us get out of trades before we reach the top when drops happen. Okay, here's the deal, guys. Let's get you into some trades here. The pricing, $49 a month. Our membership is going up to $95 a month in a month. Okay, literally you guys have about a month left. You have February 25th. That is a hard date. We are going to be upping our monthly membership to that price. Okay, you guys are going to get grandfathered in at $49 a month forever. You never have to pay another membership fee if you guys just keep your membership the way it's at. When this goes up, and our website will remove, it's going to remove $49 and it will go to $95. You can stay at $49 forever just by keeping your membership. That will give you access to all of the metrics I just went over for all 12 coins, and this is where you guys want to be hanging out. It's under the live trade section. So let me show you guys how to do this. Every single one of our 102 wins have come from this page right here. Matic, I'm so sorry, guys. Solana, I'm stuck on Matic. Matic is such a good trade right now. You guys need to get into Matic. If you have extra money on the side, I think Matic is a really good trade to get into right now, just by the way. Okay, it's probably going to be our 103rd win, our next win that we're going to get into. But Solana, sorry guys, Solana is what we're talking about today. Click this link right here and I'll show you guys all the buy limits to get into for Solana. I'm going to show you guys how to trade our strategy on Bitcoin because I want to keep it private for our members. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, this will update. Okay, let's dive in. What you guys are going to see this morning is at 8 a.m., which is in about 22 minutes here, you're going to see this change to 120. All you're going to do is take the trade amount that you want to trade with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split this into 4 equal portions. So if you have $10,000, it's going to be $2,500. With $1,000, it's $250. $250 here, $250 here, $250 here, and $250 there. Okay? Set all these buy limits up at the exact same time in your exchange. Once your first buy limit is hit, set a sell limit up here, and that's going to be a sell limit, okay, for 100%. Now, the Telegram channel is where I'm actually giving you guys exits, and I'm calling exits for you guys with the indicators, and that's where I'm personally exiting my trades, where I'm taking profit over here, and we're doing very well, okay? So what you guys want to do is get into the membership, click this link right here, and that will give you guys access into the Telegram channel where we're calling these exits with the indicators, trend exhaustion, price as well, money flow, okay? Here's the deal on the indicators. I'm going to make this fast because I want to get into some other things. Okay. What you guys are going to see today is that the bundle pack is the absolute best deal. I'm going to try to pin this in the comment section to the top so you guys can see this. It's 81% off. You guys want to get at minimum the price for swell money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion. These are the 3 that we're using to call the tops and the bottoms, and I showed you guys the accuracy of this in the beginning of the video. These 3 are 60% off right now, and these are going to be going up in price, so they're not going to be 60% off anymore. They're going to be going up here. Some of these other ones are going to stay at 60, and we do have indicators up to 60% off, but these 3 are going to be going up in price on January 28th, this month, like in a few days here, it's going to be going up. So make sure you guys get these 3. Getting these 3, it's actually a little bit better to get the bundle pack because you're going to get all 9 of our indicators with the bundle pack, and you're going to pay pretty much the exact same price. So these indicators are what you really want to be getting. Click into any of these, watch the tutorial videos, see how they work. You guys are going to get jacked once you see how accurate these are and how you can predict the markets. It's adding tools to your tool belt to trade to help you become more profitable. Bundle pack, best deal, definitely get that today. Okay? Looking at I did it again there. Solana. Looking at Solana here, we are seeing this is already starting to move up here, and I bet Bitcoin is getting close to breaking this. Look at that, guys. We are almost officially breaking this descending resistance. If this breaks, guys, the market can get very, very bullish. It's either going to get bullish or it's going to break down here. So for Solana here today, guys, make sure your buy limits are set up. That first buy limit, when it gets hit, you're going to be in the market. But if it goes down, you have 3 other buy limits to help protect you in this trade with insurance. That's how we're not losing the trades. So guys, I'm going to do this quick because I want to watch Bitcoin. Make sure you guys get the indicators set up. Make sure you get those before the prices go up. Make sure you guys are definitely getting the membership because this is going to be going up in price next month. Make sure you guys snag this now. Get into the Telegram channel down here. And then make sure you guys are just following me on the YouTube videos, and you guys are going to do fantastic. Everything you need is on this membership where you guys can take all the live trades. Once you're in a live trade, follow me in Telegram and get the indicators to call exits. All right? Watch the tutorial videos I have for each of these, and you'll get everything you need. If you have questions, guys, email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com, and we'll be there to help. All right, guys, everything needs in the description. Let's see if we can go for 105 to 110 wins in the month of January. We'll see. It's possible. If we break out here, it's possible. So make sure you guys are watching that Get Trade set up to take advantage of this move, and I will see you guys in the next videos that I'll come out with tomorrow. God bless you guys so much. Watch the Bitcoin video, and let's see if we can get a pump here. All right, we'll see you guys later. Bye.